Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about sales funnels for beginners. So if you are a total beginner or you have some knowledge about sales funnel, in this video we are going to talk about sales funnels, and so you can get started, you can have the knowledge and you can get started for creating one for you or your business. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so you can get notified for the videos I'm going to put in the future. So let's talk about what is sales funnel. Sales funnel helps us in creating a process which turns a visitor or a audience into a buying customer. This is what sales funnel helps us in creating for our business. So let's say if you have a YouTube channel or something, so there are a lot of people who are watching your video and now you want to sell them something. So now sales funnel comes in and it helps you in creating the process in which you can convert those visitors into a buying customer. When it comes to sales funnel, it can be very simple or little complex. So in the simple sales funnel, it can just include a capture page and the product page or the thing you want to sell. Or in the complex, when we talk about the complex sales funnel, it can include upsell, downsell, cross sells, and then at the end of the page we are going to show them a thank you page. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the simple sales funnel because this video is for beginners and people who have little knowledge about the sales funnel, so they can get started and start creating the sales funnel for their business. So when it comes to creating a sales funnel, the first part of the sales funnel is always the squeeze page. Now the squeeze page is the page which helps you in capturing, squeezing the information from the visitor or the audience. We capture email address, phone number, name, because people who are visitors who are coming to your funnel, not all of them are going to buy your product. So we are capturing the email address or phone number so we can follow up with them in the future. Okay, let's say 1,000 people are coming to your funnel, and if 10% of the people are buying your product, so 90% you are losing 90% of the audience. So when in the first page of the funnel we capture the email address, so now we can follow up with them and sell them our product in the future. They are not buying our product right now, but still we have their email address now. We are going to give them email, giving them discount on our product and going to sell them over there. In the squeeze page, we try to provide value. Okay, we try to give them something for free. The squeeze page can include an ebook, a webinar, a free webinar. The squeeze page can include free 5 videos, right, which can be helpful for them, because in the squeeze page we are capturing their email address in exchange of something. Why that person is going to give you their email address? Because they are going to get some valuable thing from you. So in the squeeze page we give them something for free in the exchange of capturing the name and email address. The second step of the sales funnel is the product page. After they have given us their email address or their information, now we show them the product and services which we want to sell them. In the first page we gave them something for free. So now people who are coming to this page have already got some value from us, have already got something for free. So now they are more likely to buy. And the people who are not giving their email address to you are not likely to buy the product and services because they are not even ready to give you their email address. So they are not going to buy the product which you are selling. So now in this page we sell them. we are not giving anything for free. We are charging them for the product and services which we want to sell them. Okay, so now if 1,000 people are coming to this page, not everyone is going to buy. If 5% of the people, if 5% of the total people who are coming to this page buy the product, 95% of the people were going to waste if we haven't captured their email address. But now, because of the sales funnel, we have captured the email address, so now we can follow up with them and try to sell them the same product and services in the future. So after this second step in the complex sales funnel, it includes upsell, downsell or cross sells, but in this video I'm not going to go down in that thing. So in the third step, we are just going to show them a thank you page. We are just going to thank them for buying the product and services. So this was the simple sales funnel. So it helps us in converting the visitors who don't know us, in converting them into the paying customers. So if you are a person who wants to create a sales funnel or want to try creating a sales funnel, but you have no technical knowledge or you don't know any coding or something like that, I'm going to show you how you can create a sales funnel without any knowledge. Okay, so there is a site called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software. ClickFunnels is a software which helps us in creating a sales funnel. Okay, and you don't need any technical knowledge. This software helps us in creating sales funnel from dragging and dropping. Like you just have to drag and drop. Okay, you just have to drag few things over here and there, change the headlines, and your funnel is ready. So ClickFunnels gives us pre-built templates. Okay, so if you are creating a lead funnel, you are creating a squeeze funnel, squeeze page, there is a template already built for you. You just have to go there, tweak few things, and your squeeze funnel is ready. You just have to change your image, you have to change the headline, or you can put a video over there, and then your squeeze page is ready. Same, there is a product page. You just have to change your headings, your copy, your product images, and then your product page is ready. So I'm going to drop the link for ClickFunnels in the description. So if you want, you can go there and get your 14 days free trial from the description below. So this was the video for sales funnel for beginners. So in this video we just talked about what is sales funnel and how we can create a sales funnel even if we have no knowledge, no coding experience or anything. So if you are interested in trying out or creating your own sales funnel, I have dropped a link in the description. You can go there and take your 14 days free trial for ClickFunnels, which is a software which helps us in creating the sales funnel without any coding knowledge. So thank you so much for watching my video till now, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a comment so it hits the algorithm to show my video to more people. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video till now, and you have a great day.